Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Right. So, Pawan Kumar, I think you joined after the yesterday's calls, right?
Yes, sir.
So, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Pawan Kumar. I am from Bapatla, Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Rice Krishna Sai Prakasham Group of Institutions, Ongole.
Okay. So, do
I
you have
have,
knowledge?
previously, I am in next wave CCBP. I have knowledge on Python full stack
Okay.
at a
Python
beginner
full stack.
level.
Okay. Full stack in the sense, like what are the technology you have covered?
Yeah, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, and Python also. And
Okay.
that's enough, sir. Node.js
Did you,
also I have a bit of knowledge.
did you develop any application?
No, sir, until now.
Okay. You just worked simply, right? Beginner level,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So, here also, you're going to learn the things, but okay.
Okay.
So not beginner level. So I will be starting from scratch only. So we'll explain all the front end technologies, back end programming, Python Django framework with a database, MySQL database. Okay.
Okay.
So maximum this will be take 3 months with one project. Okay, we'll be doing one project for this. Okay,
Oh,
as a
okay,
team.
sure. Okay, sir.
Fine. Fine, guys. Let me start with the things. Okay, so today I will explain introduction to HTML and then how we can start the HTML code, right? So before that, let me 1 minute. Let me share my screen. Okay, my screen is visible, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before that we need to download one code editor. Okay, so for write our codes like front end HTML or Python, any programming language, any coding we can do with that editor. So we need to download an editor called Visual Studio Code. Okay, you need to download an editor called Visual Studio Code. So if you have already, you can leave it. Okay, if you don't have, in the sense, you can download from this website. Clear? Okay. So if you are a Windows user, you can just download Windows User Installer 64-bit. Okay, MT64 is the right. Download this one. If you are a Mac user, you can download and install the specific requirements for your Mac operating system. Clear? So I already have this in my system, so I don't want to download this once again. Clear? So this is first step you need to do. So complete this installation after the session itself immediately. Okay? Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So you can download and then you can open one folder. Okay, so I have opened one folder called with your batch name. Okay, UT11. So in this folder, we can do our entire learning purpose, coding, everything. Okay. So first, what is HTML? We need to understand. Okay, we are going to start with the front end technologies. In that, first thing is HTML programming. Okay. So what is HTML? Anyone know? What is HTML? If you know, just tell me, or else I will explain it. Because some people may know HTML. Yesterday I understood, or like 1 or 2 people have learned HTML, right? Tell me, Pawan Kumar. Sorry.
We use for designing web pages and simple web pages. It's also basic. It's basic coding for the all languages like C, C++, Java, and all.
Nope, that's not correct.
HTML is a markup language. It is used to create web pages and that's
Okay, so I'm not getting the exact answer. The exact answer. Okay, so HTML. Okay, the full form for HTML is. Okay, let me create an empty text file so that you can able to understand. Okay, just created an empty file. I'm just mentioning HTML. Okay. The full form for this HTML is, okay. So here we are going to learn the latest version HTML5. Okay, we are going to learn the latest version HTML5. Okay, the full form for HTML is hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Okay, so what is the meaning of hypertext markup language? In the sense, this HTML is used to add the contents to our web page. Okay, please mute your mic, Venkatesh.
Yes.
Okay, so whenever you are having doubt, you can ask me by unmuting yourself. For that, please mute. Okay, so then only I can able to hear you properly, right? So using this HTML thing, HTML programming, I can able to add contents to my web page. Okay, my web page in the sense like whichever the thing visible to user, like in that the contents will be there, like any paragraph, a table, image, forms, or any video or any other things will be there as a content. Am I right? You're not understanding, right? What I'm telling. Others, please respond.
yes, sir.
Okay, so the HTML thing
Yes,
is
sir.
basically used for to add the contents to our web page while designing it. While designing it. So the main thing is to add the content. Okay, so we can formalize the content later on using CSS, but to add the content initially we need HTML. Okay, without HTML, without CSS, web page design will not be possible. Page design will not be possible. Okay, if you're using WordPress also, there will be tags. If you're using WordPress also, there will be HTML tags and there will be HTML attributes will be there. Okay, so here, how can I add the contents? How can I add the contents? Okay, so what I told. So hypertext markup language in the sense it is used to perform the web design by adding the contents, right? How can I add the contents in the sense using the tags? Using the tags, I can add the contents. Using the tags, we can add the contents. Okay. So very, very important thing is tags in HTML. Okay. Without tags, we can't able to add the content. We can't able to structure the content. We can't able to structure the content. Okay. Without the tags. Right. So now we are having one more thing called attributes. We're having one more thing called attributes. So what is attributes? Any idea? Any idea what is attributes?
No, sir. No idea, sir.
No idea, right? So attributes in the sense it is used to give additional information or additional features to your tags. Okay, attributes in the sense we'll be using that attributes inside tags. Inside tags. So the attributes will give you the additional information or additional feature to your tags. Okay, will give additional information or future to our tags simply. Okay, I'm not going to teach you the entire deep technical words. Okay, so I will be teaching you in the understandable way. Okay, so that is the exact thing. Okay, the exact meaning also same thing only, but I'm not going to give you the deep technical words or deep technical theory. Okay, that won't help you. Technical theory will not help you. Only the technical knowledge will help you. Clear? So that's what you need to understand the use case. Okay, so what is tag? What is attribute? You need to understand the use case. So that's what I'm giving you in these simple words. Understood? Clear? So these two things are very, very important in case of HTML programming. Okay, these two things are very, very important in case of HTML programming. Okay, so now we are having some different kinds of tags. We are having some different kinds of tags. That means like we are having opening tags and also opening and closing tags. Okay, that means some tags will be having only opening tag. Okay, some tags will be having opening and closing tag. Okay, so only out of 100%, only 20% of tags are having opening tags only, but balance 80% we are having both opening and closing tags, both opening and closing tags. Okay, so now next thing. Okay, understood, right? Till now understood? Any doubt till now? Initially I will start slowly only. Day by day I will go little fast. Okay, if you understood the concept, if you following up me, if you are following the concept in the sense, I will go little fast, not fully fast, little fast, like second gear, like that. Okay, now I'm going in first gear. So later 1 week or 2 weeks, I will put second gear. Clear? So any doubt? No doubt, right? Fine. Coming to the next part, what will be the file type for this HTML? What will be the file type for this HTML? Okay, the file type will be .html extension. Okay, we are having .htm also, but most of the cases .html is a mandatory thing, essential thing. Okay, because browser support. Okay, we are running the web pages in browser only, right? All the web pages we are running in browser only, any browser. Okay, Windows browser or Mac browser, any browser, we are running it in browser only. Okay, then in the case, the .html is a browser compatibility proper thing. Okay, so the file name, anything you can give. The file name, anything you can give as per your page requirement, as per your page name, you can give. Okay, so there should not be any space between the file name. There should not be any space between the file name. You can use underscore. You can use underscore, only underscore. Don't use dollar, percentile, hash symbol like that. You can use only underscore to differentiate the two words in the file name. To differentiate the two words in the file name. Is it clear? Right? And also don't keep file name so much long, like up to 50 characters. Okay, so less than 50 characters is fine, but 50 characters, 51, 52, like it's a longer text. Okay, don't keep like that. Okay, maximum starting from 6 to 30 characters maximum limit. Okay, while developing the any pages or designing any pages, if you are giving the name in the sense, maximum 6 characters to 30 characters. This is your limit. This is your limit. You can take 50 characters also, but it won't look good. It won't look good. So maximum you can fix your limit as 6 characters to 30 characters. Clear? So I'm just professionally preparing you. Okay, how we are going to work on the client project, how we are work on the projects, our project, our own projects and our own softwares. Okay, how we are going to modify the designs. So I'm just professionally training you. Clear? So this is not a specific institute training. This is like corporate training. We need to train you professionally. Okay, how we are going to work in our client project, how we are working in our client places. Okay, so that's what I'm training you. Clear?
Sir.
Fine. Now, this is a simple introduction about HTML and then the requirements, right? So now I'm just creating a file. Okay, so you can open the folder in Visual Studio Code. This is the Visual Studio Code editor. It is simply, it will look like here only. So you can change the background theme to white theme also. So I kept it as dark theme. Okay, you can keep it as white theme also, light theme also. And then so in this editor we can do all kind of programming, all kind of programming. Okay, front-end technologies, Python, Java, PHP, Ruby on Rails, Perl, React.js, Node.js, anything we can do in this specific Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so now you can see one symbol called file plus symbol. Okay, so here you can create a new file. I'm just creating a file name called sample.html. Okay, so now you can see the file is differentiated with one icon. The file is differentiated with one icon. Are you able to see, everyone? The icon.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Previous, I have created text file. So the text file, it is giving me the icon called the lines. Okay, the content lines, content pattern. Okay. Now I have created the HTML file. So it is giving me the tag symbol. It's giving me the tag symbol greater than or less than symbol. Greater than or less than symbol as a tag symbol. Okay. So this is how you can create a HTML file simply in Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now, first thing, we need to have one initial first tag called. So you need to start the tag like this only, right? Less than symbol, put HTML. Okay, this is HTML tag. Okay, so this tag is called as opening tag. This one is called as closing tag. So okay, closing tag means it will be having slash symbol prior to the tag name. Prior to the tag name. Understood? Right? So you need to write the HTML programming entire HTML thing content, okay, entire HTML coding within this HTML tag alone. Within this HTML tag alone. Inside this, you can have JavaScript, CSS, everything we can do, everything we can write. Okay. So now, so this HTML section is divided into two parts. One is head part, another one is body part. One is head part, another one is body part. Okay, so I will tell you now what is head part and what is head part will contain, like body part will contain everything. I will explain in clear manner, right? So head section, head part. Okay, so whichever the thing which is visible, not visible to user. Okay, but it is having some additional information about the HTML page. It will be having some additional information about the HTML page. But body tag, okay, so body tag will contain entire visible content, entire visible content, so which is visible to user. So that will be added inside the only in body tag, only in body tag. Okay, so let me start with the head tag information. Let me start with the head tag information, then we can go for body tag information by tomorrow maximum. Okay, so now first head tag information. Okay, whatever the things head tag will contain, whatever the things head tag will contain. First thing, it will contain meta information. It will contain meta information. So anyone know what is meta information? Guys, my voice is clear, right?
Sir, no, sir, we don't know, sir.
We don't know, sir.
Don't know, right? Fine. Meta information in the sense like information about the web page. Information about the web page. To understand the content which present inside the web page by another developer, by another client, or else this is first use case. Second use case, for our SEO purpose. Okay, for our SEO purpose. SEO in the sense search engine optimization. SEO in the sense search engine optimization. For example, in Google, okay, you are searching for IPL. You're searching for IPL, so you'll be getting some list of results, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If you're searching for IPL, you will get some list of results. Okay, how the first result is coming, or first page result, how it is fetching? How the only that website is coming first in first page? Why another websites are not coming? What is the reason? Did you think of anyone anytime? First page on some 100 results or 1000 results are coming, right? In that only particular websites are coming at the top. Why other websites are not coming? Right. So let me tell you. So that is based on the information present inside the web page. It's based on the information present inside the web page. That information will be added as a keywords using meta information. Okay. So first thing, we need to have the tag called meta tag. We need to have the tag called meta tag. Okay. So here, first information is char set. Okay, so this is called attribute. This is called attribute. So like this, we will be having so many attributes. Okay, you can see this attribute declares the page characters encoding. The page characters encoding. That means what kind of character set I used to develop this web page content. What kind of character set I used to develop this web page content. Okay, for example, Chinese character or Japanese character or English or Tamil. Okay, so you may be seeing Telugu websites, Tamil websites, Japanese websites. Okay, there are lots of character sets are there. So anyway, our product development always in English UTF-8 character set. Okay, so you can directly mention UTF-8. Okay, this is not required, but if you want, you can mention it. Okay, so this is called attribute character set and then value for that attribute. Understood? Is it clear?
So UTF-8 means it indicates language English, right, sir?
Not language English. It is indicates the characters encoding, which is adaptable for all kind of character set, not only for English. It's a common. Okay, that's what I mentioned at UTF-8. But it won't take. Automatically the browser compatibility. It will take the character sets. Okay, so but I just defined it. Okay, for our understanding. Fine. These things you no need to remember also, you no need to keep it also. Okay, I am explaining the information about the meta tags. Okay, now next one more meta tag. Okay, with the attributes called name and content. With the attributes called name and content. So here first name will be keywords. First name will be keywords. That's what I mentioned. Keywords in the sense like whatever the information we are having inside this web page, for that we need to create a keywords. We need to create the keywords. So the keywords will be created by our digital marketing team or content creating team or SEO team. Okay, so they will create the specific keywords by reading our contents from the web page, and then they will add it here, or else they will give a list of keywords. We can add it by ourselves. Okay, only the tags we need to define with the name. Otherwise we no need to do anything. Is that clear?
Sir, what about the content, sir?
Content, our content creation team or digital marketing will team provide after designing of this entire web page. Okay, they will go through the web page contents. They will understand the concept which is present inside the web page, and then they will give the unique keywords. Okay, so then we can add it inside this content place. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine. Right, so what is the use of this keyword? In the sense I told, okay, if you're searching for IPL in Google, so you are getting some minimum websites at the top, right? How it is fetching in the sense based on the keywords, based on the description also. Okay, so next thing is your description. Okay, let me add it, copy this. Next thing is your description. Okay, so this description also will be given by content creation team. Okay, and then next thing will be finally the viewport. Okay, the viewport. So this is a static thing. This is one static thing. Okay. So here we can give that viewport value static itself. Okay. So it is used to just represent this page is a responsive page. This page is a responsive page. Okay. What is responsive? Any idea? Any idea what is responsive? Okay, so responsive in the sense the page will adapt for all kind of devices. The page will adapt for all kind of devices. For example, if I open the same page in laptop view, personal computer, or else in mobile, or else in tab, iPad, okay, wherever I'm opening this web page, it should adapt for that device width. It should adapt for that device width, so that we can make it with Bootstrap or React.js, that we can do it. So we are just representing this page is a response device. Okay, responsive page. Okay, it will be designed the width equal to device width. It is designed based on the width equal to device width. Okay, so that's what we are just informing to the others. Okay, which is who are going to see this website. We are just informing that. That's it. Clear? Fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the meta information we will be keeping in our head tag. Okay. So next, after this meta information, we'll be using one tag called title tag. We'll be using one tag called title tag. Okay. So this title tag is used to display the browser tab title. That means this page title only. For example, sample page. Okay. So this title will be displayed in our browser tab. In our browser tab, let me open this. Okay. You can see the sample page content is displaying here. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this icon, okay, how this Visual Studio is having icon, this icons we can kept it. Okay, that's what next I'm going to tell you. So next tag is called as link tag. Next tag is called as link tag. This is having only opening tag. Okay. So this link tag is used to link external CSS files. Okay. So we are having different categories of CSS, different types of CSS. There we can link using link tag external CSS files, and also to link to add icons to our web page. To link to add icons to our web page, we can use this link tag. We can use this link tag. So I will explain later on how can I add the external CSS, how can I add the icons, everything I will explain. As of now, just understood the use of the tags. Clear? Because I need to teach you CSS, then icons in Bootstrap, then only I can able to add it here. Okay, initially if I'm adding means we can't able to understand that. Clear? Within 1 week we will complete HTML, then we will go for CSS. Don't worry about that. Right? Everything is clear as of now? Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, coming to the next thing, style tag. Next thing is style tag. So this style tag is used to write internal CSS property. Okay, this style tag is used to write internal CSS property. Okay, how we will write, how can I give the properties and values, everything we will see it in CSS. Okay, just remember the tag name and its usage. Okay, is used to write internal CSS property. Is used to write internal CSS property. Okay, now coming to the next thing, final tag, which will be used in our head section, that is script tag. That is script tag. Okay, so this script tag is used to add internal internal script property, JavaScript property, and also to link external JavaScript files. Two usage, same tag. Two usage, same tag. One usage is to write internal JavaScript properties, and also to link external JavaScript files. Clear? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can have these two tags before the body closing tag also. For the body closing tag also, here also. So what is the difference between keeping here and here means, okay, your page execution, okay, your page execution will start from first line only. Okay. Whenever the whatever the properties you want to apply initial itself, okay, at the starting time of page loading itself, you can write those properties, you can link those properties using style and script tag within the head tag itself, because it will execute first before executing the body content. Am I right? Before executing the body content, head section only will execute. Okay, but I don't want to, I want to execute some properties, some content after page is loaded, after page is loaded, or at the end of the page load. At the end of the page load, I want to apply some CSS properties, or I want to apply some JavaScript properties. In the sense, you can have that properties before the body closing tag. You can have that properties before the body closing tag. Okay, so that's a two difference between these things and these things. Clear? If you want to have the properties at the initial stage itself, we can keep here. At the end, or else after the page is loaded, I need to have some different properties or different styles. In the sense, you can have it here. Okay, that's a use case, right?
Okay.
So that's it for today. Okay, so tomorrow is your holiday, but please give me half an hour time by tomorrow morning. Okay, tomorrow morning after your login, immediately I will take some half an hour or 40 minutes time, and then I will explain some tags to you. Okay, then you can work out that, and then you can submit it to me. Okay,
Okay, sir.
only half an hour.
Okay.
Take much time.
Hello.
Right? Tomorrow is your holiday because of Good Friday, I think so. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
Sir, for UI, it's also same, sir.
UI is HTML is very, very important.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Then that's what I'm teaching.
Okay, sir.
Okay, UI developer in the sense front end developer only. Don't confuse. Fine. So the session is recorded. You can watch it and then you can install the Visual Studio Code and then you can just practice these tags as of now. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you all.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
for your